happy Valentine's Day. I'm going to show you how to get this sexy pink look. Keep watching. Okay, boo, so we're going to go in with these Nika K eyeshadow base. I'm just going to use that to prime my lids or give a white base since I'm going to be working with colors. And then I'm going to go in with the Maybeline Fit Me powder. This is the lightest powder, and I'm just going to use that to set that so that this doesn't crease. We're going to go inside this Morphe palette, and I'm taking those two pinks right there. It's a light pink and a dark pink. These two pinks are actually going to act as like three things on my eyeshadow, on my eyes. First, I'm using it as a transition color, and as you see, I'm trying to apply it really lightly. Then I'm going to go into that darker pink that I showed you and use that to deepen up my outer V. And that's all I did. I applied a lot to my brush of that darker pink and just deepened up my outer V, and that's how I got that dark pink there. I love this whole smooth transition that it gave me. I thought that it was really pretty. Now I'm going to go in with that same light pink and that purple, and if you can tell, I didn't use a lot of that purple simply because I just wanted to add just a little bit of darkness, not too much, because I'm gonna go in with a black later. But if you can kind of see the purple. Now what I'm gonna do is create a cut crease, and I don't like to show this too much. These videos help me practice with cut creases because I really don't know how to do them, guys. Like, it's been years I've been trying. I think I'm using the wrong brushes. I'm in the wrong crease area. I don't know, because I'm not the best at cut creases, but they're okay. So I just use that Nika K eyeshadow base to help me create that. That brush is from the dollar store. I'm going to go into my Anastasia self-made palette and take this color right here. It's called Blossom, and then that color right there called Pink Champagne. First, taking Blossom, that's going to be on the outermost part of my eye. I'm just going to pack that on, and Blossom is like a soft pink, but it's deeper than Pink Champagne. Next, I'm going to go in with Pink Champagne, and this is like a glittery pink, and that's why I decided to put that more to the inner corner of the eye, if that makes sense. So it's a contrast in pinks. And then I'm going to go in with a black, any black that you want. I took the black out this palette, and I'm just simply adding a little bit to that outer V, like just a little bit, because I didn't want too dark on my eye. And just to clean this up a little bit, I'm going to go back in with Blossom and just pat that over top of it a little bit, and there's my pop. That's it. Moving on to the face, I simply went in with my LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color Beautiful Bronze, just to clean up this look some. This brush right here is the e.l.f. brush that I got from the dollar store that I'm using to just blend this in. Following that, I went ahead in with my foundation that I put on, which was the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the color 370. Let's go ahead and get to highlighting. This is Kat Von D concealer in the color Deep 36, and I'm just going to use that to highlight. You guys know, an old faithful of mine, something I always go to. I really like the highlight that this gives me, and I'm blending it out very well. Then I'm going to go in with my Sasha Buttercup Cosmetics powder and use that to set my highlight. And I love this powder too, honey. Like, it gives me a nice soft setting. Then I'm going to go in with contouring. You guys know I just use a regular brown eyeshadow to contour, nothing too much, and I'm going to go ahead and bake the face so that this contour can pop. And look, I love when I get to this part of my makeup application, because look, I'm almost done, honey. We're going to go on with NARS. I'm sorry. I'm going to brush all of this off. Most important step, just to be sure you brush all the stuff off your face. And then I'm going to go on my face powder. So this is my NARS Soft Velvet Loose Powder in the color Valley. I'm just going to add all over my face. You guys know how this goes. Not too much to explain there. We're almost done. This is a blush by Black Radiance. It's in the color Raspberry. Let me just tell you guys, I always show like me applying the blush once and then moving on. You really have to pack this blush on, honey. Like, I probably dip it into my pan probably like 3 times just to get that intense color. Now, around this time, I thought I was looking like a damn clown. I'm like, girl, hold on. You really trying to pack this on? And then I followed up with my highlight, which was the Ruby Kisses All Over Glow, but my camera stopped recording, so I didn't even have that footage. Let's move on to the eyes. We're going to complete the eyes. This is the e.l.f. liquid liner, black. I'm just going to use that. Following that, I'm going to go in with the LA Colors Glide pencil. It's in the color black. I'm just going to use that to line my waterline. I did want to intensify this look, and I feel like lining your waterline just makes everything more sexy. Sometimes I don't like to do that, but for this look, it was perfect. Then I'm going to go back into that palette and take pink champagne and just add it to the lower lash line tear duct part. Just to give that pop, honey. It was a very cute. Look at that. I love pink champagne. And now we're going to move on to the lips because the eyes is done. That's it. This is MAC in the color Nightmoth. Guys, I love this lip pencil. It's so creamy. And I'm just going to outline my lips with that and really like fill this in. And then I'm going to go in with Kat Von D liquid lipstick. This is in the color Bow and Arrow and Old Faithful, honey. Now, I could have left the lips like this. Just blended this in. But I didn't want to leave it like that. I wanted a gloss to this lip, if that makes sense. And this is what I do to blend in my lipsticks, guys. I really just keep moving my mouth, adding my pencils. That's how I come up with like the perfect lip combos. When you mesh those colors together, you really get different colors. This is a MAC lip gloss or cream sheen. I don't know. Check the description box. I blended it in, and that was it. Them lips is popping, honey. It matches the eyes. Then we're going to pluck them curls out, and that's it. So I hope that you guys enjoy your Valentine's Day. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. I will see you guys in my next video. I'm NeneTanae to all my new subbies. Hey, boo, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye, y'all. Mwah.